Mica Schist is one of nature's most fascinating metamorphic rocks. This rock forms deep within the Earth's crust, where heat and pressure transform existing rocks into something entirely new. Over millions of years, clay-rich sedimentary rocks are compressed and heated, causing minerals like mica to grow into visible sheets. These thin, glittering flakes give mica schist its signature sparkle. Mica schist is made mostly of muscovite or biotite mica, often mixed with quartz, feldspar, and garnet. Its foliated or layered texture means the minerals align in parallel bands. Because mica schist forms under intense pressure, it often indicates regions where mountain building has occurred. For example, large deposits are found in the Appalachian Mountains, parts of Europe, and across India. Studying mica schist helps scientists understand the tectonic forces that shaped Earth's surface.